Same motion, same shot, but I changed the person, rebuilt the background, and added VFX. And the important part is this wasn't random. I used a prompt formula you can reuse on your own footage. Hey everyone, welcome back, Nova here. Today I want to show you how I transform raw footage with Gemini Omni into cinematic shots. Most people already know Stance is stronger when you want more cinematic motion right out of the generation, especially when the shot depends on motion, camera language, or a more polished first pass. Stance usually feels stronger. But here's the real question. If one tool works well, why spend time learning other platforms and testing completely different workflows? Because sticking to one model only is never the smartest approach. The real advantage comes from understanding where each model is actually strong.
He takes it beautifully. Brilliant footwork. He goes past his man. This is a great chance. What a sensational goal!
Sometimes that difference is quality, sometimes it's speed, and sometimes it's just about which tool fits your exact pipeline step better. So testing other tools is not about replacing everything. It's about finding the right fit for each part of the workflow. To access Gemini Omni, just head over to Higgsfield. On the top menu, select Video, and then click on Gemini Omni Flash. Gemini Omni can handle a pretty wide range of visual directions. For example, you can create clean 2D motion graphics. It easily generates crisp typography and fluid vector-style animations right from your prompt. Or, if you are working with talking head footage, the model can track the subject and layer dynamic text and stickers perfectly into the shot.
Do this for 30 days and your whole life changes.
It even tackles heavy 3D VFX work. But for this video, the focus is much more specific. We are taking raw footage and pushing it into a fully cinematic shot. Like this example, taking a standard walk through an office and totally upgrading the aesthetic by changing both the outfit and the corporate lighting setup. Or push the environment entirely, turning a guy in sweatpants into a pirate on a ship while locking in the exact original motion. To build the character, our first step is inside the Image tab. Here, Nano Banana 2 Lite is selected as our base model. You can start completely from scratch with a blank prompt, or attach your own image as a reference. For this workflow, the character was generated using a simple text prompt. This is the initial output. From there, I made some minor prompt adjustments and small edits to create this slightly modified version. To show you the process clearly, I generated some raw footage first, but you can easily use your own video here. Back in Higgsfield, make sure Gemini Omni Flash is selected as your video model. From there, upload your raw footage as the main input. Keep in mind that Gemini Omni currently generates short clips around 10 seconds long, so if your source video is longer, you'll need to trim it down first. Once that's trimmed, just attach your character sheet or reference images as your inputs, and that's it. Now, I'll paste in the prompt here. We'll use the @ symbol to tag our reference video and our reference image. Now choose the correct aspect ratio, and hit Generate. This template breaks down into 3 simple parts: person replacement, motion lock, and environment transformation. First, person replacement locks the identity and wardrobe so your character matches the reference image. Next, the camera and motion lock keeps the exact movement of your original clip. Finally, the environment transformation rebuilds the background and adds bindings to keep the shot clean. This structure is saved as a reusable template, so you can easily copy it and adapt the details for your own projects. By keeping the core layout the same and only swapping the specifics, you can quickly recreate this exact transformation across entirely different clips and characters. Gemini Omni Flash is actually built for conversational video editing. It's designed to change what's inside existing footage, instead of generating brand new clips. It takes your video, images, and text together to restyle the scene, easily swapping characters or changing environments while keeping the original motion and physics perfectly consistent. Your support, comments, and shares really keep the channel going, especially lately. In this hard situation, I truly appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for hanging out today, love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.